Welcome everyone. I have new recipe again for today and I'm going to make bread without oven. So these are all the ingredients. 2 tasa ng flour, all-purpose flour na strain na ito. And then 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And then isang tasa na, walang isang tasa ito na fresh milk ng buffalo. At saka butter, ito na lang yung aking natitirang butter. So unahin natin muna ang ilagay ang milk dito. And then yung sugar at saka yeast. Yan. Halo na lang natin yung asin. So mix natin. Mix well. So ito ilagay na natin ito dito. Ayan. Itong na-dilute na milk at saka yeast, sugar at saka salt. So ayan. And then you can use spatula, but I don't have spatula, so I use this spoon. So i-mix natin ito lahat. Ayan, nilagay ko na lahat yung butter, ubos na. Dito ko nilagay sa center yung butter. And then next, what we have to do is we have to knead this one using our hand. So ayan, i-knead na natin by hand. Para maganda yung dough niya at very, very soft. Ayan. I-knead natin ng 5 minutes. So this is already the dough. Then next we have to cover this one by plastic. Yan. Na I already knead for 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. So we leave this one for more than 30 minutes. And then we have to knead again, and then we have to form now by balls. And then we have to fry now this one. So ayan, wait natin after more than 30 minutes. Check natin yung dough ng aking bread ngayon. No, it's okay. Ayan. So ito na yung dough. Ayan. So next gawin natin ay i-form na natin ng balls. So ito na yung dough. Ayan. Ang gagawin natin dito ay scoop natin ng by spoon. Ayan. Ganyan. Ayan. Ganyan ang pag-scoop para pantay ang bilog. So these are all the balls. Ilang piraso ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11. Yung 2 tasa na flour. So, bilog-bilogin natin ang ganito. Ayan. Then, we will put here. There are 11 balls of bread. So, we leave this one again for another 30 minutes. And then, we have to fry now this one in deep oil. Ayan. Hindi naman masyado marami ang oil. Yung katamtaman lang. Parang nagpiprito din kayo ng donut. So, wait natin for another 30 minutes. No, magpiprito na ako ng, ito na yung aking ipiprito na parang donut. So, wait natin na maging hot itong oil. So, ito yung first batch. Meron pang 6 kasi 11 pieces lang. So, ayan, I already changed side. Ayan. Frying bread balls. It's like a donut. So, this is second batch and this is first batch. So, ito na, 11 pieces. So, bisikan natin ng sugar, grind sugar. Ayan. Baliktarin natin. Ayan. So, ayan, hatiin natin. Ayan, very soft. Oh, ayan. Ayan.